guys, today I decided to do a vlog because it's a stormy day and I have no school today and hopefully not tomorrow. But yeah, so I'll show you outside. So yeah, it has been snowing since 12 and I'm just getting ready for my day. So that's why I've dressed in my PJs still. And I sound really sick because usually in the morning I sound sick the most because I am sick though. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna go take a shower and all that, so I'll be back when I'm ready. Guys, I got my makeup done, and I don't know what to do. Molly is freezing her butt off because she took a bath. You should see her. I'll show you her. Oh, she's leaving. Goodbye. Going down very slow. Oh, no, she's getting my stairs. Let's go. Here go Louie! Hi! Hi Louie!
Louie's gonna die out there.
There's Molly over there if you see her. There's Louie. Hey Louie!
Louie's gonna die out there in that storm.
I just have to say Molly sounds like a horse with her boots on. There's Louie. We're in the garage and look what Molly found. I'm not sure if Louie got to it first, but I hope not. I hope it just like died of coldness. There's Molly. Cute little boots and shirt. She was, come on, let's go. She wants to go in already. Look at her run. Look at, that's just too cute. She's too cute. Bye, Molly. I'm gonna go over here in the deeper snow. Molly's over there. Louie's in here. Louie. He's like, I'm not going out. Oh, Molly. Did you see that? She slipped. She drifted. She's so clumsy. She's so clumsy with her boots on, though. Hi, Molly. Anyway, here's my funny face. There's Molly. She's, come on, let's go. Want to see her run on snow? cute. Anyways, I'm gonna go take pictures of these with my phone, so let's go do that. And I might video Molly if she goes out back with me, because out back is deeper than out front, because my brother didn't plow out front and back. Well, guys, me and Molly are going to take a break of outside. And I will only take a break because I know Molly will be cold soon. And she's just right there in my trash can right now. That's nice. But anyways, and my iPod was only 20%. So I'm going to wait. And I'm going to go snowboarding. But not like actual snowboarding. Like, I wished I could. Like, I always wanted to try snowboarding, not skiing. Snowboarding, because it just sounds so fun. But I don't have a snowboard that's my size, so oh well. So I'm just chilling. I'll tell you guys when I'm going out. When this is full of battery. Hint, hint. Almost. Let's do it again. That's me. That's Molly. Listen guys, this was so cute when she made the sound in this video. She's a good.
Go get her, Louie. Go, Molly.
Hey guys, so I'm eating a cheeseburger, and Molly's right here. And what the funny thing was, she was chasing me with her little boots on because I haven't taken them off yet, and I was hiding and stuff, and switching, in the front, behind a door thing, and she kept on passing, and then finally, she ran in, and then right before she could get out, I shut the door, and then I opened it real quick, and I ran in my room, and then she ran right after, but then the door slammed, and she's just too cute. Oh, and before I was running back and forth, and she's like slipping, and it's so cute. She's just cutie. She's drooling probably, and she's still cold, but she's not even wet. It's the thing, so we gotta get her warm. Anyways. TTYL, I'm gonna be eating my cheeseburger, watching some YouTube. So guys, I just wanted to give you an update. I'm going outside to get Louie, and we have no school tomorrow. I'm glad, and yeah, because we got a text message, and I probably tomorrow will go snowboarding / sledding, not shedding. Or whatever I said, sledding. But anyways, I'm gonna get some stack. But anyways, guys, I'm going out to get Louie because he had to be out all day in this cold weather so he could stay in all night. Because usually if he don't let him out before, he will poop and pee and stuff, and we don't want that. So yeah, I'll see you guys outside in the dark. Molly's ready to go out. Yep. Look at that. Perfect path. The storm should be dying down. guys, I am inside now, and look how red I am. I'm really red. My fingers are really red too, like especially my pinky. It looked purple outside. I was like, what the heck? And yeah. So I'm gonna get warmed up and out of this because I'm hot and cold at the same time. Because I've been running around. I might watch the video, some of it, so yeah. Hey guys, I'm out and about and I'm sweating again. Yay! So yeah, sweat. I stayed out the whole time. Holy crud. That's awesome. Here me and Molly go. Woo! Playing dominoes.
8.
Sorry this video was so long. I just have to warn you that when I do vlogs, they're mainly gonna be like a long time. Well, this one probably like a long time, so I'll probably edit it to make it a lot shorter. Anyways, bye. Have a good day. See ya tomorrow. Which this might not be up on the time of day I want it to be because I have to edit it and all that. Anyways, bye.
Do 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 do.